Hi everybody, I just wanted to take some time to show you the implementation of a plugin or just added functionality to a website I built a few months ago. So this is the Shaftesbury Food Festival website that I've created as part of my work as the Chamber of Commerce chairman, and it is to promote the food festival, which takes place in 3 days' time, so getting quite scary. The website is built using essentially Claude Code in Visual Studio, which is on my laptop. It's pushed to GitHub and it is hosted on Vercel, and it has a CMS based on Sanity. So you can either edit the website within Visual Studio, or you can go into Sanity and edit there. You can edit all the content, like the text and the images, and find out more about entries for like the cheese race and stuff like that. So it's a great way, a CMS of collecting stuff. So anyway, I wanted to, just as we approach the food festival, is add in a chatbot to answer all the questions we are regularly being answered. And we're a team of volunteers, so getting a chatbot on there that understands everything about the festival is really important. So I have got it to, with a simple command, a bit of a pathetic prompt actually, and please ignore the spelling mistakes in the prompt and how short it is. It should be more in depth. But I was in a bit of a rush. I just wanted to show you how quickly you could achieve something like this. So instead of like on WordPress where you'd have to download a plugin and maybe pay for it, this you can set up yourself with Claude Code, and actually asking it to do it, it tells you everything you need. So what it's done is base it on all the content on the website, which should be correct. And if it's not, that's my fault. But it creates a markdown file, which is a very simple text document with all of the information it thinks is important, like what time's the festival open, what days does it run on, what are the age groups of the cheese race, stuff like that. And then it's suggested, do you want to use something out of the box or should we build our own? And I've clicked build our own. So it is currently building our own chatbot, which is going to sit in the bottom right hand side of the website, and I'll show it to you in a bit. But it's really very clever. So it's done that, and a few of the things it's suggested, which is genius, is saving me money by using Haiku and not Opus or Sonnet, which would have gone into deep thinking and therefore burning a lot of tokens. And if I've got a couple of thousand people making inquiries in the next couple of days, it's going to cost me a lot of money. So using Haiku is 0.001 of a p. So over 1,000 inquiries, I'm going to pay £1. So as you can see, it's just streaming through all the options. It's created a tick box list and it has accomplished them all. So we go and get an API key from Anthropic, which I'll add secretly, and you don't want to share API keys, otherwise you lose a lot of money. And here you can see the actual website, and the chatbot is down on the bottom right hand side, and you click on it. And it's got pre-made questions. It's also got a little thing saying this is a bot, not a human, so I make mistakes. But I want to know when the festival is, and it comes up with all the right information and everything's correct there. So that's how easy it is when you build a website with Claude Code to make edits and build functionality and just check everything.